Hi everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Capricorns for the month of October 2021. This is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Let's see what's coming up for you when it comes to career and relationship. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so in your career, Capricorns. Wow. Wow. Okay, Capricorns. In your career life, a major wheel is changing in your favor. Something is about to change. Okay, major changes are happening. It will start not overnight. Okay, but it will take time. But a lot of changes are about to happen in your upcoming months, upcoming weeks. Okay, it's a major change. Major wheel of fortune related to your career is turning in your favor. Okay, you are waiting for a right time, divine timing. You are waiting for the ships to arrive in your career life. Whatever you desire, whatever you want in your career life, that is about to happen, but it will happen at a divine timing. So waiting game will go on. Okay, you need to release you need to release a lot of burdens in your career life. Whatever burden you were carrying on in your career life, you have started releasing it in the month of October. You will start releasing it. You will eventually, you will not take tensions anymore. You will release the burdens in the month of October. Okay, I also feel that if you're not trusting your intuition level a lot in your personal life, you need to trust your intuition level a lot. Okay, you will be very much concerned in the month of October with your family, with your relationships. Okay, whatever things are going on, it is the call of the universe. Okay, whatever is going on with you, it is because your life is going on through divine time, divine purpose. Okay, divine protection. Okay, you are divinely guided. Whatever is happening, it's happening at a divine timing. Okay, whatever things are being going on, you are being very concerned about it, and you are being very much thinking in your head when it comes to your family. Okay, major changes are on the horizon for you in your relationship. I think you are going on simultaneously. Like when it comes to your career, you are thinking for the right time situations. You are waiting for the ships to arrive. You are waiting for the major opportunities. You are releasing the burden. But in your personal life, you are being very concerned about your family situations. Okay, you are at the same time, you are being juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions a bit. Okay, but not fully, because you are gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, related to certain situations in life, which is very good. Everything is about to happen at a divine timing. Remember that. Okay, it will not happen overnight, but yeah, it will happen at a divine timing. Right time, right place. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's your life purpose. What's your life purpose? Okay, you are on a right path. Okay, keep doing what you are doing because it's working. You are on a right path. Whatever is going on with you, it's divinely guided. Okay, you might become a counselor, or you can consult a counselor. Okay, for the advice or for the kind words. Okay, you need advice from people, you feel. Okay, you also can become a healer as well. You might be a doctor. You might be a people who are treating others. It might be a spiritual gift from the universe, that you might be healing or taking care of or serving for the humanity by your career or your profession. You might be a nursing staff, you might be a doctor, you might be a person who is working in hospitals. Okay, or someone who is working or serving towards the humanity cause. Okay, artist, you might include yourself in artistic activities which is beneficial for your career, okay, in the month of October. Also, one more thing, you are being very sensitive, you are becoming more sensitive, and you need to make changes accordingly, which is very good. Spiritual teacher, you heal with your classes, sessions and seminars. You might become a spiritual teacher as well, okay. You can heal through your workshops, you can heal with your classes and seminars as well, which is very good. Let's see what's your coming up in your love life, Capricorns. Well, you need to release your ex. The time has come to release your ex. You might become a bit flirty in the month of October, or you might feel light-hearted by flirting, okay. A little bit of flirting is no harm, so that's okay. You have to stay optimistic in your love life, okay. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance and the person you love in your life. So you need to be very passionate and optimistic in your life. If you are feeling some emotions with someone, there has to be a passion involved, okay. So if there is passion, and if you have romantic feelings for someone, that's definitely love, okay. But for few of the Capricorns, there are people who are, you know, wearing false mask, and who are just, you know, being very sweet to you, but they are actually very deceptive and very negative, very toxic for you. So be careful for the people. It might be a spouse as well, okay. So your near and dear ones might be deceptive, or very much let's say very much deceptive, and very much into a situation where they might treat you sweet from the outside, but they feel very bad or negative from inside, okay. So stay away from deceptive people and negative people into a situation, Capricorns, okay. Yes, you need to love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So self-love and self-care is really important. If you love yourself, that will really help you out to heal certain situations in life, okay. And you being prepared mentally and physically very strong, okay. So yes guys, this was the reading for October. I hope you like this reading, Capricorns. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. And if you wish to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Bye bye, take care guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe.